Dear traders, I am glad to welcome you to our new video. As you may recall, I traded using VORTEX Bot. The link to this video will be right here. Now it's my turn. And let me remind you that you can find our bot as well as the VIP group with signals and copy trading by following the link in the description of this video in our Telegram channel. Guys, everything is absolutely free. Go ahead, subscribe, and earn together with us. Well, let's get started. So guys, let's go ahead and start trading together. But before we do that, I want to take a moment to show you exactly how my VORTEX bot actually works. So as we can clearly see on the main page, we have the option to activate the bot. We also have a helpful video tutorial available on how the bot works. There's a list of active traders who are trading in real time. So as we can see, people are actually making money with this bot. There's also a list of active participants and partners we work with. And now let's move on to the main question. How do you activate our bot? To activate the bot, you just need to enter your UID. So I enter my UID. And now I've already activated the bot. As you can see, the bot checked my UID, and now I can trade using this bot. Today I'm going to trade OTC pairs, and I've already topped up my pocket option balance with $1,100. So, first of all, let's get started with setting up the bot. I select a specific currency pair, for example USD, which is an OTC pair, and then I choose a time frame. After that, I enter this currency pair into pocket option. So now let's start trading, right? We click the start signal button and wait for a signal from the bot. It analyzes the currency pair, analyzes the market, selects more than 15 different indicators for analysis, and uses a variety of strategies. While we're waiting for the signal, guys, I want to remind you about our Telegram channel where you can actually get this bot. The link to this Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. So we received the first signal, it's an upward one, so we open a $150 trade for 30 seconds to go up. And let's see how this trade is progressing. So far, we're getting selling candles, but that's okay. We still have a whole 20 seconds left, guys. We're getting the first buying candle. As we can see, what's happening now is a rebound of the currency pair. Most likely it has reached its minimum point. And great, guys, look at the candles now. Everyone, please. Huge ones are going up, and most likely we're making a profit from this trade. And great, guys. As you can see, we made $288 in just 30 seconds. Honestly, this bot is absolutely incredible. I recommend it to every user and every one of our subscribers. So guys, let's move on to the next currency pair. Let's say it will be GBP, JPY, and everywhere at TICE. And now we wait for the signal, and while we're waiting, I'm entering this specific currency pair into pocket. So when we get a signal to go down, we open a trade in the downward direction. For now we're getting candles that we don't really need again, but that's okay, we still have a whole 22 seconds left, guys. And as we continue to wait, let's remain focused and ready for the next move. Excellent, a good bearish candle. As we can clearly see, here we had a maximum point established and fixed, and now the currency pair is going down. Oh no, guys, do you see these huge candles going up? So unfortunately this trade didn't work out for us as planned. But that's okay, guys, because it's impossible to trade without losses. Even this bot can't guarantee you a profit with 100% certainty, just like no one else can. But I'm sure we'll still manage to make some money in this video, since we have plenty of time. And for now, we're breaking even. Let's choose the next currency pair, USD/GPI OTC. We switch to it on pocket option and wait for a signal. Most likely it will be a signal to go up. So I hesitated for just a second and missed a huge candle. But it's no big deal, guys. I'm sure our trade will still end up in profit and we'll be able to make money from it. Good money. Guys, do you see these bullish candles? Oh my god. Alright, only 10 seconds left. We just need to hold our position in the market. 8, 7. Guys, I think this trade has definitely and confidently closed in profit, and our VORTEX bot has once again accurately predicted the chart movement. Great job, guys. We're making money on this trade and moving on to the next currency pair. Oh my god, I really enjoy trading with VORTEX. So guys, I've switched to the next currency pair. As we can see, we've received a sell signal. I've already activated the bot, set it up, waited for the signal, and opened a trade to go down. As we can notice, there's currently a strong downtrend in this currency pair. We're following it. I think Vortex did a very high quality analysis, and there are only 15 seconds left. So far, our trade is confidently going into profit. And we're getting huge bearish candles, guys. That can't help but make us happy. After all, we're ready to make money on this currency pair. That's basically why we came here in the first place. So we get $288 and move on to the next currency pair. Let me choose it right in front of you. Let's go with Euro GBP OTC. While the bot is currently analyzing the currency pair, we enter it into the pocket option platform. Most likely this signal will be for a buy, since there was a very strong and pronounced downtrend, and there should be a rebound in the chart, so we are waiting for the signal to appear. Guys, as you can see, trading is actually very simple and very easy to understand. Guys, you really don't even have to think about it, because I'm already sitting here for you, and as soon as we get a signal to go up, I'll even open 2 trades at once, because I'm very confident in my analysis and I'm sure we can make money together, guys. Double the profit. So, while the trades are actually going down right now, alright, only 8 seconds left and we're getting upward candles. That can't help but make us happy. Come on, 3 seconds left. Guys, you can see how the chart changes in the last seconds. So, our trade didn't go through, but we still have a signal from the bot. I'll open it. Now I'll open 3 trades at once to cover our losses and make a profit. So, right away we're getting upward candles. Only 20 seconds left. So far our position is winning. Guys, VORTEX Bot is loaded with a lot of signals, a lot of indicators, and a lot of strategies. That's why it analyzes the market as thoroughly as possible before giving you a signal. We get $864 and we managed to make a profit from this currency pair. Not as much as we wanted, of course, but that's okay, guys. After all, this is trading. It's impossible without losses, and you should be happy with any profit. Let me remind you that we've already made over $400, and we're still moving forward. Now choosing another currency pair. Let's go with AUD CAD, AUD CHF. And we wait patiently for the signal that Vortex will provide us, and so most likely the trade will be a sell. Guys, just as I said, Vortex immediately gives us a signal. Again, I'm opening 2 trades because I want a bigger profit. Guys, as you can see, the currency pair is currently in a loss and we're supporting the downward trend, which I'm very happy about. We managed to open the trade in time because right now is an excellent entry point into the market. Oh no, we get some bullish candles and then immediately a huge bearish candle. Guys, I think we are confidently taking profit from this trade right now. Only 1 second remains on the timer, and yes, we receive $576. Guys, I was able to earn this much money, literally, in just one single video. And it's all thanks to my Vortex with Batul, and that's it, guys. We've moved on to the next currency pair. This is AUD CHF, and we're waiting for signals from our bot. As you can see, in order to reach a total of $1,000 in this video, we just need a bit more luck to get there. We receive a signal to go long, so I immediately opened 2 separate trades, each for $150, which together totals a $300 trade overall. Alright guys, we're getting bullish candles. Right now, as we can clearly see, the trend is changing here. The pair was slightly in the red for a brief moment, but then it started to shoot up. As you can see, this has happened with this currency pair before as well. Alright, only 5 seconds left. And I'm absolutely confident that we'll make a financial gain on this trade. Great, we've certainly increased our balance. Now it's $2,096. Guys, I managed to earn a whole $1,000 in this video. And it's all thanks to my VORTEX bot. It's just an incredible bot that really analyzes the market with maximum accuracy. No other bot can analyze it like this one, just like ours. So guys, now I'm going to take a moment to sum up everything we've covered in this video. Our trades turned out just great and VORTEX Bot really helped us achieve those results. So guys, go to my Telegram channel, get this amazing bot absolutely free. And for those who don't want to think about trading or doing anything at all, just take your time and consider your options. We have a program called Copy Trading. You just simply connect to it and you will automatically trade together with me, following my trades in real time. So guys, I have to say goodbye to you for now until the next video. Bye everyone.